everyone, Jane Barton here. I hope you're staying safe, and I thought I'd give you some ideas about how to take my travel sketchbook class and just bring it home. We're not going anywhere anytime soon, but there are plenty of subjects out there that we can enjoy, and art is a really wonderful way to spend this time that's pretty stressful. So let's start. Here's my kit. It all goes into this Eagle Creek bag. I like to travel light. I've gone all over the world with this. I like my watercolors in a tiny little palette here. I have some water containers, whiteout. I'm not a purist. I love using glue stick because sometimes as I'm walking around in my neighborhood, I might see some interesting leaves or some pieces of color, anything to put in my sketchbook. A spray bottle, watercolor crayons, which are fun. If you don't have them, you can order them on Amazon and have some fun. Q-tips instead of brushes sometimes. I like to use Post-its. I have a little sponge to help me when I am using this brush. This brush is from Rosemary Brushes. I love it. You can order it online, rosemarybrushes.com. Little micron markers. When I'm out and about, I just like to look. Anything goes. You can just make a study of different colors, or you can make tiny little pictures of Kit Kats, foods maybe that you're missing, or maybe you're lucky enough to get in your market basket. You can use actual watercolor postcards, maybe send them to your friends. Even just black and white in a little journal. I also like to just go outside and just draw what's ever in front of me. This is my garden. Who knew a garden hose could be that interesting? And finally, I hope that you will take these ideas, go on out, make a little picture, and send it to me. You can either send it to my Instagram or you can send it to my email. Please be safe, and I'll see you next fall when we can really hopefully start traveling again and just enjoy what we have. Thanks. Bye.